Hi, I'm Mike Cornelius. I'm an instructor in the Clinical Trials Management program here at Western. I've spent 30 years in the pharmaceutical industry, and in parallel with that have been teaching for 22 years. Clinical Trial Management program, I think, has never become more relevant. We see a number of students after they finish undergraduate or postgraduate degrees wonder, what do I want to do? Maybe I don't want to necessarily go into bench science. What can I do with my science degree? Where can I take my career? And so the Clinical Trial Management program gives students what I believe is a real practical introduction to clinical trials and late phase drug development work. And I think that not only is that relevant to students coming out of other programs, but I think even more in our day-to-day lives as we've seen the pandemic unfold and as we've seen vaccine development happen. I think there's a lot of people that don't understand that process, and we see that in a lot of the students that come in that find that taking this program really becomes a bit of a revelation for them. They understand that those antibiotics, those antihypertensives that they may get at the pharmacy don't just get there by the snap of a finger, but it takes years of development. There's lots of expertise, and this program gives students that introduction, gives them a broad and I believe quite an expansive introduction to the various components of drug development, and gives that opportunity to leverage that and to take that hopefully out into industry or into academia and start to be able to develop a career path for themselves. The majority of our students will find work in this particular area, and nothing makes me more proud than to get emails back from students each year to say, hey, I found this great job as a coordinator, or I'm working as a project manager or as a clinical research associate. That for me that's the fruit of the labor, and those are the rewards that we as instructors, or I think anybody affiliated with the program, would get from being part of it.